Did you know that AI in education is growing so fast that by 2025, it's expected to be a $20 billion industry? That's a massive shift. But here's the real question. Is AI actually making learning better? Or is it just another fancy tool? Most people think AI in schools means robots teaching kids or computers taking over classrooms. But the truth is, AI is doing something way more interesting. It's not just changing the way we learn, it's transforming education at its core. And it's not what you think. Today, we're diving into how AI is reshaping learning, the problems it's solving, and what this means for the future of education. Let's get started. All right, let's talk about AI. We hear about it everywhere: self-driving cars, chatbots, even those smart recommendations on Netflix. But when it comes to education, AI isn't just about automating tasks. It's actually changing the entire learning experience. Imagine a classroom where every student gets a lesson designed just for them, or a world where kids who struggle in traditional schools can finally learn in a way that works for them. AI is making that possible. It's breaking down barriers, making learning more personalized, and giving teachers superpowers to help students succeed. Sounds amazing, right? But before we dive into how it's happening, let's talk about the problems AI is trying to solve. Education has a few big problems that have been around for a long time. Let's look at 5 of the biggest challenges. Accessibility. Not every student gets the same opportunities. Some have access to great schools, teachers, and resources, while others are left behind due to geography, financial struggles, or limited support systems. Many students in rural areas or underserved communities lack access to quality education, creating a significant gap in learning outcomes. This educational divide can impact future job opportunities and economic mobility. Personalization. Every student is different. Some learn fast, others need more time. Some are visual learners, while others need hands-on activities. But in traditional classrooms, teachers have to teach everyone the same way, following a fixed curriculum. This one-size-fits-all approach means that some students get left behind, while others feel unchallenged. The inability to adapt lessons to each student's strengths and weaknesses makes learning frustrating and inefficient. Engagement. Let's be real, sometimes school can be boring. Many students struggle to stay focused during long lectures, and outdated teaching methods don't always capture their attention. Research shows that when students are disengaged, they're less likely to retain information and more likely to fall behind. In an age where technology is everywhere, competing with social media, video games, and other digital distractions, keeping students interested in learning is harder than ever. Teacher workload. Teachers have an enormous amount of responsibilities, from lesson planning to grading assignments to managing classroom behavior. Many educators feel overwhelmed, with limited time to give personalized attention to each student. Burnout is a growing issue, leading to high turnover rates in the profession. If teachers had more support, they could focus more on what they do best: teaching and inspiring students. Bridging the learning gap. Some students start school already behind their peers. Whether due to socioeconomic factors, learning disabilities, or differences in early childhood education, the gap can widen over time. Traditional education methods struggle to close this gap, leaving many students at a disadvantage. These challenges aren't new, but they're more pressing than ever. The good news? AI is stepping in to help address these problems in ways we never imagined. AI is already making big changes in education, and here's how. Personalized learning platforms, AI-powered apps like Khan Academy, Duolingo, and Squirrel AI create lessons based on how each student learns best. If a student struggles with math but excels in reading, the AI adjusts their lessons to focus more on math. This means students get the right level of challenge, not lessons that are too easy or too hard. AI tracks progress over time, ensuring students master concepts before moving on. AI Tutors students can now get 24/7 help from AI tutors. No need to wait for a teacher or a tutor session. AI chatbots like Socratic by Google and Brainly help answer homework questions instantly. More advanced AI tutors can guide students through problem-solving steps instead of just giving answers. These tools provide interactive learning experiences that adapt in real time to student needs. Automated grading teachers spend hours grading papers. AI can grade multiple-choice tests in seconds and even help with essay feedback. AI-powered grading systems like Turnitin and Gradescope provide instant, detailed feedback to students. AI can recognize patterns in student errors, helping teachers understand common difficulties in a classroom. This frees up teachers to focus more on teaching and less on paperwork. Breaking language barriers. AI-powered tools like Google Translate, Grammarly, and Rewordify help students who speak different languages learn more easily. Real-time translation features make it easier for non-native speakers to follow lessons. AI-generated subtitles and speech recognition improve comprehension in online and in-person learning. This makes education more inclusive for students learning in a second language. Helping students with special needs AI can assist students with disabilities through speech-to-text tools, text-to-speech readers, and customized learning programs. For example, tools like Seeing AI by Microsoft help visually impaired students understand their surroundings. AI-powered programs can detect learning disabilities early and recommend tailored learning paths. Special education classrooms are using AI to create adaptive learning environments that cater to diverse needs. Virtual reality and AI-powered simulations, AI-driven VR classrooms, allow students to explore history, science, and geography in immersive environments. AI simulations provide hands-on learning experiences for complex subjects like medicine, engineering, and physics. This makes learning more interactive, engaging, and memorable. These innovations are already happening in classrooms around the world. But let's take a look at one case study that shows the real power of AI in education. One of the most impressive examples of AI's impact is happening in China. Schools using Squirrel AI, an AI-powered tutoring system, have seen huge improvements in student learning. Students who used Squirrel AI improved their test scores 5 times faster than those in traditional classrooms. The system analyzes how each student learns and tailors lessons to their needs. Even in rural areas where there are fewer teachers, AI tutoring is helping kids learn better than ever before. Squirrel AI doesn't just focus on delivering information. It also helps students build confidence by identifying weak areas and reinforcing key concepts until mastery is achieved. With adaptive AI models, students receive a truly personalized learning experience, ensuring that no one is left behind. This isn't just about making school easier, it's about giving every student a fair shot at success. And that's what makes AI in education so powerful. AI is revolutionizing education by addressing some of the biggest challenges, making learning more accessible, personalized, and engaging. It's helping teachers manage workloads, breaking language barriers, and providing tailored learning experiences for students with special needs. With innovations like AI tutors, automated grading, and virtual reality, students are learning faster and more effectively than ever. The future of education isn't about replacing teachers. It's about empowering them and enhancing the learning experience for everyone. What do you think? Is AI making education better, or do you see challenges ahead? Let's discuss in the comments below.